Hello, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create your very own fidget spinner vending machine. All you really need is a few pins, some string, a lot of cardboard, and a lot of hot glue. As you can see, these two pegs do not allow the first cardboard piece to slide past this point. Moving this first piece doesn't really affect anything until we add a coin. Once the coin is added, the second cardboard piece can move, in turn pushing the fidget spinner. We can see that the string here allows for the mechanism to be reset once the fidget spinner is pushed. Again, we can see that once this first cardboard piece is pushed, the coin falls in this hole. These 4 pins are placed here to ensure that the first cardboard piece stays flush against its base. Once we open the hole on the side, we can collect all of the money we have earned. All of the fidget spinners found in this video are provided by Spinnercraft. I will show you a few of them and give you the costs and their respective spin times. If you're interested in purchasing any of these spinners, the link can be found in the description down below. Enjoy the rest of the video.